Jolly Belly, kedukan ke bapila ban yolut iki jingdon kam ki baman la kasni ki jongpi, badi ki marba mardi hakador ke baduna. Laru ban yo iki jhur ki jhep ki so ki pai, badi ki jaj do ba pher, ya ki balawan ra na keleng ke rilom khasi. Kat ba pinang thir iki jingdon kam ki jongpi, pilaru ban e shipor ki khunrit ki jongpi, hakajakai le kai ke balabu kerpang na ke benta jongki. One room shagadukan Jolly Belly, but me da ka jinkmen. Yaki jingtep ki bakam nya laban yo da ka bapon hau number nyo not san nriu pra nriu san nyo but kndai pra nriu lai not lai nriu. The interstate border dispute between Meghalaya and Assam is an issue which has been left unresolved for more than a decade now. Meghalaya's Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, while briefing the media recently, informed that he, along with the Assam counterpart Himanta Biswa Sharma, on the 16th or 17th of November would make a visit to such affected areas at Ground Zero so as to understand the conflict in the area. Terming it as a confidence-building exercise, Conrad Sangma said that they would meet the residents and also committees on both sides of the border, and accordingly, as per the committee's report, they would at the earliest time possible jointly find a resolution to the issue.
Basically, we are finalizing most probably on 16th or 17th of this month. The Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Mr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, and myself will be making a joint visit to Lampi. So that will be we'll be finalizing the trip by today evening. So it should be 16th or 17th of this month. Once a joint visit is made by us, it's more of a confidence-building joint visits. There's no issue of discussing any details on that meeting. It's just a question that the two chief ministers and two states and governments are together on this issue, and that we want to find a solution. So it's more of a confidence-building exercise. So we will go and just we'll meet some of the citizens. At the same time, the committee members will be there. And post that, maybe a week or so later, we expect that the individual committees will submit their reports to us, and then we will see how to move forward based on the reports that we get.
Following the Chief Minister's assurance of a solution to the border dispute between Assam and Meghalaya, the MDC of Mauhati constituency, Charles Marngar, in a press conference held on the 11th of November, informed the media about the Assam government's breach of status quo along the disputed area of Block 2 in the border between Meghalaya and Assam. While speaking to reporters, Charles Marngar informed that he had received information from sources that the Member of Parliament from Karbi Anglong was scheduled to inaugurate the stadium at the disputed Block 2 area of Umlaper village. Immediately, Marngar had tried to contact Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on the matter, but there was no response from the latter's end. Later, a letter to this effect was also sent to the Chief Minister of Meghalaya to request for his intervention into the breach of status quo by the Assam government.
I've already, from time to time, I wrote a letter to the Chief Minister, and I met him personally also, to take no seriousness. But it's a high time to the government of Meghalaya. They have to show their power. As the Chief Minister, you have to talk directly in front of the Chief Minister of Assam. What we have seen last time also, he just kept quiet in front of the Chief Minister of Assam. So a high time. And then from my side, as the local MDC, I request the Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister to take action and to take immediate steps